Hello everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for the Shop It or Stash It kit that I am doing with Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. And we are here today with this layout. We are each doing a rainbow layout for the Craft the Rainbow challenge over at Paper Issues. And I spent probably like 8 hours stitching this title. So this is one of the free cut files offered by Paige Evans over on her Facebook group, and it is a like Love You Tons stitching, I think is what it is. So it cuts out the letters and then it also adds all of the stitching holes for you. So instead of just regular stitching, I decided to chain stitch around each one of the letters in rainbow colors, and it turned out fabulous, but I really wish I had only done a regular back stitch because it took so long, and oh, by the end I was just ready to not be doing this anymore. So I am using the Horizon, a couple of the Horizon papers, and then from my kit I'm going to be using embellishments because I am running really low on papers. So I figured this counts as well towards my kit. So I'm using that word paper that is from Horizon 12 by 12 paper pad, and then each of the letters are backed with there's that one gorgeous paper that's like a rainbow sunburst kind of thing, and I cut all of the different patterns apart and then glued them back together to cover each of the letters. And I decided to fill the O's with pictures of my children, and these are their school pictures from 2016, I think. I don't know about anybody else, but I struggle to use their school pictures. Like, we have one hanging in our hallway of each of them for each year, and that's about it. Like, I don't do anything else with them, and I feel like they're kind of a waste because you ultimately end up spending money on them, and then we have some of them get sent out, but then you end up with a ton of these little wallets because it's not like when I was in school. When I was in school, you would trade with your friends, so you would like collect pictures or whatever, and kids have no desire to do that anymore, I guess. So anyhow, I thought this was a pretty fabulous way to get some used up and or get them scrapped anyway. And I chose this year because I don't know, our school district doesn't always put the year on either the photos or even the package that they come in. So I was struggling to find each photo or a photo of each of my children from the same year. Like, it was really I went through I don't know how many packets of photos before I found 3 from the same year. Excuse me. It's really early in the morning. It's not really that early, but I haven't really talked yet today, so I apologize for my voice. So I decided that I'm going to add a few embellishments, and I wanted to add some florals, so I'm actually going to go with these ones, and these are from the Savannah Dreams Pretty Little Studio collection, and I kind of felt like the colors went better. So the other florals were Paige Evans Whimsical, and they were either too big or I felt like the color didn't quite match right. So I pulled out those ones from Savannah Dreams, and I feel like they go really well. They're not so bright that they take away from the rest of the layout, but they add just a little bit of embellishment to the page. So I decided I wanted to add the year, and I'm doing 2016 to 2017, and I'm going to move this up to above the word love. And I'm going to add that little "this makes me happy." because again, it's rainbow, and I don't know, it makes me happy. I love that my middle daughter we crimped her hair for that picture, and my son is wearing a pink shirt because he likes wearing pink shirts. And then my youngest insisted on wearing this headband, except for she didn't really know how to put headbands on, so her hair is like smushed back, I guess. It's not really, the way a headband should be in your hair, I guess. But it's super cute, and I love seeing how they change through the years and how they don't change, like my son's smile, I feel like that's how he smiles in all of his school pictures. So, yeah, it's fun to look back on. So I decided I needed another like little bit of black because the This Makes Me Happy piece has some black words on it. So I'm going to dig through my Savannah Dreams and find a little phrase that's also in black, just to pull it into a different place in the layout. And I can't remember which one I choose, but it'll be here in a second. Beautiful Life. There we go. And it fits perfectly with that, with the years. So, and then off camera, I think I add a couple of the Glitter Girl sequins, and then that's pretty much going to be the layout. So I want to thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, head on over and check out Christy's take on this. And we are getting really close to the end of the series. So thanks so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye.